Evening, everybody. Well, today is January 23rd, 2016. I live in Maryland. Made this pallet fort a couple months ago for pallet shop. It's held me out from rain and just about everything else. Well, we had a blizzard. Apparently, my tarp idea worked. Kinda. As you can see, everything over there is covered in snow. Everything on that bench is covered in snow. And everything there looks like it was outside. Oh, look at that. There's more. More stuff covered in snow. So, tarps worked for heat. It worked for keeping the rain out for the most part. But apparently a blizzard didn't work too good. So if you guys can incorporate that into your idea, even better. See you later, guys.